You just received your neuropathy diagnosis. Here's what you do before you go home. Put both feet flat on the floor right now. Pump your ankles up and down 10 times. That is your first medicine. Not a pill, not a patch, movement. Your nerves need blood flow. That ankle pump just started it. Here's why that works. Your nerves are like wires buried underground. They need a steady supply of blood to stay alive and send signals. When that flow gets cut off, the wires start to go dark. That simple ankle pump just turned the lights back on. That's your adjustment. So let's talk about what you were just told, because your doctor probably said a lot of big words pretty fast and you drove home with more questions than answers. Let's fix that right now. Neuropathy means nerve damage. That's it. Neuro means nerve, pathy means damage. Your nerves are struggling to send and receive signals properly. Now, here's what's important. These are not your brain nerves or your spinal cord. These are the small nerves at the end of the line. Your hands, your feet, your legs, the last connection. When those get damaged, you feel burning, tingling, numbness, balance problems. And here's what almost no one tells you in that appointment. Those nerves can heal. Your body has its built-in repair system for nerve damage. It runs every single night while you sleep. Your job is simple. Stop blocking it. Start feeding it. Before we get to your action plan, I need to clear up 3 things. 3 beliefs that almost every newly diagnosed patient holds on to. Every single one will slow down your recovery. Myth number 1, this is just aging. There's nothing I can do. Not true. Aging is a timeline, not a cause. Your nerves did not break down because you got older. They broke down because of blood sugar swings, nutrient gaps, poor circulation, chronic inflammation. These are the things that changed. Nerves grow slowly, but they do grow. That's not wishful thinking, that's biology. Myth number 2, medication's my only option. Gabapentin and Lyrica can help with pain, and I want to be honest about that, but write it down. Those drugs mask the symptoms. They do not fix the nerve. Taking them alone is like turning off the smoke alarm instead of putting out the fire. You deserve more than just pain management. Myth 3, I should rest and protect my feet from activity. I understand the instinct. When your feet hurt, you don't want to use them. But movement is not the enemy. Movement is the treatment. It drives blood to your nerves. Without that blood flow, the nerve damage gets worse, not better. The most powerful nerve treatment costs nothing, and you already did it. 10 ankle pumps. Quick note, if this is your first time on the channel, I'm Dr. Andrew Fetterman. Every week I put out videos mainly about neuropathy and managing neuropathy without relying on medications. Download my free supplement guide below and the link in the comments. Also, hit like and subscribe so you don't miss next week's video. All right, here's your first week plan. 7 specific steps starting today. No equipment, no prescriptions, just 7 habit shifts. Day 1, move every hour. Set a timer on your phone for every 60 minutes. When it goes off, 10 ankle pumps. That's it. You are restarting your blood foundation. Day 2, do the balance test. Stand next to a wall. Place one foot directly in front of the other. Heel to toe is touching. Take your hands off the wall. Hold for 10 seconds. This is called the tandem stance. Write that down. If you can't hold for 10 seconds, that is your information. Your balance nerves need work. That's okay. That's exactly why we test. We do this every morning. Track your time. That number will improve. Day 3, let's cut the sugar spikes. Every blood sugar spike sends a surge through your nerve wires. Every time that surge damages the insulation around your nerves. Day 3, simple. No sugary drinks for 1 week. No juice, no sweetened coffee, just 7 days. Notice how your feet feel at night. Day 4, add 1 anti-inflammatory food. Blueberries, walnuts, leafy greens. These foods lower inflammation that make nerve pain worse. Pick one and add it to 1 meal per day. Every day, 1 handful. It's a snack, not a diet overhaul. Day 5, fix your sleep position. Side by side. Sleeping on your stomach pinches nerves in your necks and arms. Sleeping with your knees pulled tight pinches nerves behind the knee. Tonight, sleep on your side. Put a pillow between your knees. Let your spine decompress. Here's why this matters. Your nerve repair crew works the night shift between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m. If you're still awake, still lit up on screens, they can't get on site. Protect the window. Day 6, ask your doctor these 2 questions. First question, are there any current medications linked to nerve damage? Statins, metformin, and certain blood pressure medications can deplete nutrients your nerves need most. Question 2, can we check my B12 and vitamin D levels? These are the 2 most common and most overlooked causes of nerve damage in adults over 55. Write those questions down, bring them to your next appointment. That's one conversation could change your entire treatment plan. Day 7, add 1 targeted supplement. R-alpha lipoic acid. Write it down. RALA for short, 600 milligrams per day. This is the most studied supplement for neuropathy. Think of it as a cleanup crew inside your nerve cells. It fights the cellular damage that breaks down the insulation on your wires. Take it with food, same time every day. Consistency beats dosage every time. Now, here's where it gets interesting. You have 3 biological levers that directly affect nerve repair. Get all 3 working in the same direction, and you create the best possible environment for your nerves that they can heal. Lever 1, movement. Walking barefoot on carpet sends thousands of tiny signals up to your feet. That stimulation wakes up sleeping nerve pathways. If walking is painful right now, seated ankle circles do the same job. 10 circles clockwise, then 10 counterclockwise every hour. Lever 2, nutrition. Your nerve insulation is built from B vitamins and healthy fat. If you're low on B12, and many people over 60 are, your nerves cannot maintain that insulation. Think of B12 as a rubber coating around an electrical wire. Without it, the signal leaks. 2 servings of omega-3 rich foods, salmon, sardines, walnuts, help rebuild that coating. That's the food version of nerve repair. Lever 3, sleep. Your body's nerve repair crew needs to work at night, but here's the key. The crew only shows up when inflammation is low and your stress hormones are quiet. If you're still on the phone at 11 p.m., they can't do their job. Start dimming lights at 9:30. Let your body know it's time to switch over. One small habit, big downstream effect. Now let's have the most honest conversation I have with every patient. Nerves heal slowly. This is not a 2-week fix, but it is a fix if you give your body what it needs. Here's what most people experience when they follow this plan consistently. In the first 2 weeks, pain levels become less unpredictable. The burning may still be there, but the spikes start to soften. That's your inflammation going down. In weeks 3 through 8, most people start noticing windows, short stretches where the tingling goes quiet, maybe 10 minutes, maybe an hour. Those quiet windows are your nerves rebuilding. They're real progress. By month 3, most people report meaningful improvements in balance and a real drop in nighttime symptoms, especially if they're protecting their sleep and adding RALA consistently. Nerves heal slowly, but here's the sentence I want you to put on your bathroom mirror. What is worsened by habit can often be improved by habit. Write it down. Before we close, I want you to do something right now. Stand up. Keep one hand near your chair. Lift one foot off the floor and hold it for 5 seconds. Ready? Go. How did that feel? If you held for 5 seconds, great. Your balanced nerves are responding. If you needed the chair, that is your starting point. Not a failure, a baseline. Save this moment, come back in 30 days, same test. You'll be surprised at what changes when you give your body what it actually needs. Let's bring this home. Just because you got a diagnosis, and I know that it's scary, the burning, the numbness, the feeling your own body is working against you. But here's what I need you to hear right now. You are not powerless. Your nerves can heal. Slowly, yes, but the door is not closed. You just need to stop blocking your body's repair system and start feeding it. You have a plan. Start with the ankle pumps. Do the tandem stance test every morning. Cut the sugar drinks for a week. Ask your doctor B12. Add RALA. Protect your sleep window. You don't have to do all 7 today. Start with just 1. Pick the easiest one on that list. Do it today. One habit is the first brick. Every brick after that builds faster. That's your adjustment. If this video gave you one clear next step, hit that like button. It tells me to keep making these. Subscribe if you haven't already yet. My next video every week has practical tools for managing neuropathy without relying on prescriptions. I've linked 2 of the videos in the description below. This covers the full overnight repair protocol. If sleep and nighttime pain are your biggest issues, start there. The second is a complete seated exercise routine for neuropathy, no standing required. Thanks for hanging out with me today. We'll see you in the next video.